Hello everyone, it's Quick Flash. Just a quick update video. Might be helpful for all of you to know what the latest update is going to be including. This is 0.1.35. Yeah, just barely finished making that version. Biggest changes so far, let me just plug in my little whoop here. Biggest changes so far, if we go into the CLI and type git emu, we're going to see that EMUBOOST has been separated into a yaw value as well as just a normal value. So basically now you can tune your EMUBOOST for your yaw axis as well as on your normal axis. Yeah, and so that's pretty cool. And then as well, the SPA rate has now been split up, so you have your normal SPA rate, so that'll be pitch and roll, PIND, and then you've got it on yaw, PIND. And something that I've been experimenting with yaw, and I really like the way that the EMUBOOST as well as the SPA rate can really mess with my yaw feeling. I run really low D term on yaw, so this wouldn't really, the SPA rate D wouldn't do much, but as you can see, I've boosted my P rate on yaw as well as my I. I've lowered my I term. So when I move my stick all the way over, I go down to 20% of my normal I term value for my P, well not my P, for my yaw, and then my P gets increased by 50%. So it goes to 150% of what it originally was. And as you can see, my tune on yaw actually looks kind of crazy. You saw I'd maxed out my EMUBOOST, and if we go PIDs. If we go here, you can see that my I term is at 150 and that my yaw P is at 75. And so yeah, on my whoop I run, as you can see, about 1,000 degrees per second of rotation, and I really like that. It's able to get my yaw to be pretty much perfect for how I like things. Really high I, and usually I don't like super high I term on yaw, but with the settings like this, I really like it. Because that's when I give it full stick. It drops this down to 20%, so that's like 30 for my integral value. When I'm at full stick, that's like nothing. So yeah, those are two new fun things to play with. Another thing, just give me a sec. Yeah, you get to see what my desktop looks like. Has to do with JESC. Oh, is that not going to work now? Oh, that's not what I meant to do. Okay, well, anyways, JESC, if any of you haven't been paying attention to what we've been recently talking about, that's okay, but I'm going to let you in on it. JESC, it's mainly made for the RPM filtering and for, yeah, basically RPM filtering. But the thing is, in case you didn't know, JESC is a free software. Alright? And here's where the cool stuff happens, is I updated EmuFlight so we could actually talk to the JESC configurator without flashing Betaflight. So right there it can, yeah, if you're going to do this, you got to disconnect from the EmuFlight. Right there, there you go, connect. And as you can see, it connects, read setup. Before it would say, you don't have the latest Betaflight, go flash that. Boom, it read it this time. Let me plug in a battery. Let's read that setup again. Look at that, it's checking all of my ESCs. Now a nice thing about this GUI is if you want to flash, you can click flash all don't license. That means you're paying money and getting RPM filters. Emu doesn't even use RPM filters, so just save your money, don't get that. Anyways, you can flash, it automatically detects what kind of ESC yours is using. For some whoops you might need to change this value. I wouldn't mess with it unless you've seen anything otherwise. But the nice thing is they have this JESC 48 kilohertz. And basically with some of the whoop testing we've been doing, you're able to increase your flight time by over 30 seconds by just using JESC 48 kilohertz. So I've already flashed that onto my whoop. I'm really liking it. JESC with EmuFlight, it's a really nice combo. Regardless of how you feel about Joe Lucid, this is really nice stuff. So yeah, that's something else to see. If any of you are still using BL Heli S ESCs, I would download the JESC configurator, and if you want to, you can find it on GitHub. You just gotta search JESC download right there, get the configurator, and check out the releases and find whichever one works for your computer, download it, and open it up. And with EMU 0.1.35 you can actually flash JESC from EmuFlight. Super cool update. Yeah, and just some other yaw tweaks like you've seen. If any of you have any tuning questions, be sure to hit me up. But yeah, I really feel like these changes on yaw could really give our yaw feel in EmuFlight just, you know, an edge above everyone else. Because even if you're not a fan of EmuBoost, which I understand, I think you might enjoy EmuBoost on yaw, because yaw's always been one of those axes. It's always been that axis that's been different and harder to tune and not quite the same as the other two. So even if you don't like EmuBoost on your pitch and roll, I still think that you might like it on your yaw, as well as some of that SPA rate stuff. Play around with it. Let me know how well these features work. Oh, and one other thing, these are all in the OSD, so if you go to the PIDs menu and you go to actually change your PIDs and you're in that menu, you can find that there's the EmuBoost values for yaw right underneath your yaw, PID and F values. And then you go to the other PP or something like that. You go to the other PP menu or something else in the profiles menu. Anyways, you go there and you can find your SPA rate for pitch and roll, and you can find your SPA rate for yaw. Yeah, I hope all of you like this update. Thought I'd make a quick video. Have a wonderful Saturday, and thanks for testing Emu. Have a good one.